Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mambo number 5. One, two, three, four, five. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boys say they want some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna be a buzz like I had last week. I must stay deep, cause talk is cheap. I like Angela, Pamela, Sandra, and Rita. And as I continue, you know they're getting sweeter. So what can I do? I really bag you, my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in, please sing in the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life.
Every night I sit here by my window, staring at the lonely avenue, watching lovers holding hands and laughing,
ha ha ha,
thinking about the things we used to do.
Think about things
Like a walk in the park,
things
like a kiss in the dark,
things
like a sailboat ride.
Yeah, yeah.
What about the night we cried?
Oh.
Things like lovers vow, things that we don't do now, thinking about the things we used to do.
We're young and we're crazy, आज की रात हो रही amazing. Turn up the lights and the sound, get loud, shout it out, cause we're young and we're crazy. मौका है, मौसम है, महफिल में जवानियां, दीवानी धड़कन की धक धक सी कहानियां, ये रात है जो पलती से हाथों से तू न जाने दे, It's a real deal party with Kishore and Artie, so come on everybody say, Gilly Gilly Akka.
कोई यहाँ आहा नाचे नाचे, कोई वहाँ आहा नाचे नाचे, सारे हंसी आहा नाचे नाचे, सारे जवां आहा नाचे नाचे.
Awa awa, awa awa. कोई यहाँ है नाचे नाचे, कोई वहाँ है नाचे नाचे, सारे हंसी है नाचे नाचे, सारे जवां है नाचे नाचे. अव्वा अव्वा, तुमसे है तुमसे प्यार. अव्वा अव्वा, मानो ना मेरे यार. अव्वा अव्वा, तुमसे है तुमसे प्यार. प्यारा है गाना यही, गाना बजाना यही, तुर तुर तराना बैंग बैंग. माने न माने कोई, हमने तो माना यही, सुनना सुनाना बैंग बैंग. किसी का दिल आहा नाचे नाचे, किसी की जान आहा नाचे नाचे, सारे हंसी आहा नाचे नाचे, सारे जवान.
Once we went to Dehradun when Billa was about 1.5, quarter to 2 years, and Ajay was not born. The नानी जी ने इसको दूध देना, हमारी अपनी दूध मिल्क की डायरी थी नाना जी की, तो खुला दूध आता था. एंड नानी ने ना इसको भर के गिलास दूध देना, एंड बिल्ले ने ऐसे करके ना दूध पी लेना है. एक दिन दूध इतना कम था ना तो ही उल्टाउड इट लाइक दिस, उल्टाउड द दूध कम है। मेरी नानी ने ਦੀਆਂ ਗਾਲਾਂ ਕੱਢੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਸਮਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਖਾਣਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਦੁੱਧ ਕੱਟਿਆਗਾ ਸੀ और ਦੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਗਲਾਸ ਡੋਲ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ। So this is what kind of child he was. मुझे याद है in 1947 when partition took place, we came to Bombay, and that time we were 4 brothers and sisters, and Billa was about 1 year old, maybe 11 months, 10 months old. And we stayed in Gurdwara for 1 week. Then we shifted to one Mr. Kakka's house, who are distant relations. और मम्मी ना कहते होंगे सी 4th फ्लोर ते रहंदे सी, पूछा तू थल्ले लै जा बिल्ले नूं, ਇਹ बड़ा शोर मचांदा हैगा। एंड मैं बिल्ले नूं, मोटे बिल्ले नूं, ही वाज सच्चे मोटू, ਉਹਨੂੰ चुक के थल्ले लै जाना, थल्ले उत्ते खड़ी रहना, कोई खेडन वाला नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं। एंड मेरा फिगर ही खराब हो गया सी, टेढ़ा हो गया सी ਉਹਦੇ ਘਰ ਬਿੱਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੁੱਕ ਕੇ।
Congratulations, Subhash. Wish you a very happy 75th birthday. May God bless you with all the health and peace of life. I have some old memories to share with all of you. As you know, you were a very heavy baby, and it was difficult to carry you for a longer period. I remember our cousin sister from Delhi, Sheel Bhanji, who was very fond of you as a child, had lifted you for a long period, and you could see the blues on her body later on. Another thing I remember about you is spilling over the milk. Whenever you were given a glass of milk and you found that it is not up to the brim of the glass, then pretending you drinking the milk, you will spill it over, and it will create, and you will spoil all your clothes with the milk. Another thing I remember about you is you were very fond of Singapore bananas, that is green bananas, and you could take 12 at a time without any problem. I thought I'll share these with all of you, and so that you all remember that you were a different character throughout your life. May God bless you once again, and wish you a very, very happy birthday. Thank you. शुरू हो गया।
कुछ पंक्तियाँ सुभाष के लिए। कृष्णा ने सूर्य से धवल प्रकाश पाया, मन भाया। तरु पल्लव जीवन वाटिका में खिले, प्रभु का आशीष पाया। 6 पौधे रंग बिरंगे पुष्पों वाले आपस में दुख सुख बांटते हैं। मंद हवा के झोंकों में झूमते, गलबहियाँ करते, पुचकारते, सहलाते हैं। एक पौधा है अति मनमोहक, उसमें है खूब सुवास। है वह अति बली, आकर्षक, कर्मठ, नाम है उसका सुभाष। वह अलबेला, अपूर्व, निराला, वह प्यारा है। तन की ऊंचाई ही नहीं, चरित्र की ऊंचाई भी पाई है। मिलकर उससे मन की कली खिल उठती है, झूम कर बहार जैसे फिजा में आ जाती है। सुभाष, तू छोटा है या बड़ा मैं नहीं जानती, पर है बहुत अच्छा देवर इतना मैं मानती। कभी सागर से गंभीर व शांत बन जाते हो तुम, तो कभी हंसी के बुलबुले और फुव्वारे छोड़ते हो तुम। मन भावन हरकतों व अदाओं से भरे हो तुम, परिवार रूपी गहने में जड़ित कोहिनूर हो तुम। ईश्वर करे खुशियों की बहारें तुम्हारे जीवन में आती रहें, जीवन पथ पर तुम्हारे कदमों तले पुष्पों की चादर बिछाती रहें। इस शुभ दिवस पर सुगंधित पुष्पों का गुलदस्ता भेजती है भाभी तुम्हारी, इसका प्रत्येक पुष्प बन जाए कामना पूर्ति की तुम्हारी। जन्म दिवस पर आपके स्वस्थ, मंगलमय, दीर्घ, खुशहाल जीवन की प्रार्थना करती हूँ मैं।
Happy birthday to my bhai, Billa. You are a brother whom I can trust as a friend, as a confidant, and admire you as a person. My childhood days would not be complete without mentioning your name in that. The fighting, the leg pulling, the teasing me all the time. You still do, of course, but and you are the only one who can make me laugh and cry also. Yes. When you pull my leg, of course, you don't mean it. I don't cry, really. Let's bring back those happy days again in our life. Happiest birthday to you. भाई अब तो वो पुराना जमाना चला गया जब कहते थे कि पहले गिफ्ट दो फिर पार्टी होगी. No more of it. Nobody needs anything. I'm sure you don't need any gift. So forget about. सोचा तो था कि तुमको बहुत अच्छा सा एक गिफ्ट देंगे, एक्सपेंसिव सा, पर कहीं तुम बुरा ना मान जाओ, इसलिए सोचा खाली पार्टी कर लेते हैं. एंड 1000 बार पार्टी होगी, हजारों साल तुम जियो. इस पृथ्वी पर सबसे ज्यादा दिमाग चाटने वाले भाई को बहुत बहुत हैप्पी बर्थडे. लव यू.
Happy birthday, husband dear, hubby dear. Happy birthday, Surya. Well, the niceties are over. Now let me come to the fun part of it. I could write a complete book on his witty remarks, his speeches, his puns, his pranks. So with great difficulty I selected two. Once we had gone to Khan Market to buy a spring egg beater because Anand was leaving for the States, so Anand also came along. And we entered the shop and Subhash told the salesman, एक spring वाला egg beater चाहिए. So he brought out a spring वाला egg beater. A little later, Subhash says, हमको दो चाहिए. So the salesman looked at Subhash and said, क्यों साहब आपको दो क्यों चाहिए? अगर उसको 2 अंडे का आमलेट बनाना पड़ेगा तो इसलिए 2 चाहिए. That salesman looked at Subhash as if Subhash was daft. I'm sure later on he must have mentioned this incident to his friends and said that their gentleman came and he had lost it. Now there's another very witty one that happened with Subhash. As we were coming out from Khan Market, there was the red light ahead and we all halted. And in front of us there was a CD car with a blue plate. And Subhash jumped out and went there and knocked on a window and said something and came back grinning from ear to ear. I said, what happened? So he said, well, that lady had flicked had lit a cigarette and flicked the matchstick out. So I told her, madam, please don't litter our streets. So that is with Subhash. Now I come to Surya. This is classic. It was Sailesh's 50th birthday and alcohol was free and flowing and everybody was high and merry. Surya was what, about 20, 21? And he saw there was no mother, father, brother to check on him. So he had a blast. He took his shots and he took his drinks and after some time Surya starts walking and bang, he hits himself against a pillar. A little while later again he wobbles and bang, he hits against a door. And now somebody was noticing him, so it was Sandeep. He came up to Subhash and said, well, uncle, I think you better go, you better take Surya back home. So that was the end of the party, Sailesh's party for mother, father, brother and Surya.
Yes, ma'am?
Happy 75th birthday to our dearest brother Subhash. We have always been looking up to you for all your guidance and help. We wish you a wonderful 75th and many more. I appreciate you very much for the unimaginable love you have showered in my life. I am more than blessed and honored to have you as my brother. 75 years of greatness on this earth is an absolutely incredible achievement, my dear. Wishing you endless joy and excellent health as you commemorate your big day. We shall look forward to many more, and I hope we will meet up on the 6th. It's been such a pleasure. The journey has been remarkable, and you have really behaved as a big brother to me. The best part of it is that we always had to look up to you because you're taller than most of us. Thank you twice. We love you lots and lots of love and hugs.
Hi Bhaiya, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We feel so honored and lucky to have an outstanding brother with an iconic personality. You've always been there for us, come rain or shine. God bless you Bhaiya. God bless you with lots and lots of happiness, good health, lots of golf and bridge. You deserve the best. God bless you in everything, everywhere. You are also fabulous in your own funny way.
That reminds me that once you, beloved Bhaiya was at a traffic light and he wanted to go straight, whereas this beautiful young girl, she was on the left side and she wanted to go right. So Bhaiya kept honking till she lowered her window and he asked her, he said, you want to change cars? She just smiled, and that smile was enough for Bhaiya to stop and let her pass. After this, I've always parked my 11-year-old car in the wrong lane, windows down, waiting for any offer to exchange the cars, and I'm still doing it.
Happy birthday Bhaiya.
Happy birthday.
Love you lots. God bless.
Re mama, re mama, re mama re. Re mama, re mama, re mama re. सुन लो सुनाता हूँ तुमको कहानी. Our Mamu the Billa, jovial and happy, a 6-foot fella. He twists, he jives, and rocks the floor, taking babes to heights you'd never seen before. To the sea he is like honey to a bee, a Commodore submariner. A Mamu is he. He loves his bubbles. She gives him a high. Together they cha-cha, twist and fly. Time pass for him is like moja and masti. But wait, let's first chug some margarita and whiskey. A sailor at heart, forever golfing. His charm and warmth is never diminishing. Our Mamu is like Sona, Sona darling. Love you to bits. Happy birthday, Billa uncle. Have a great one. A very happy birthday, Mamu. Love you tons. Have the bestest ever.
Happy birthday, Billa uncle.
Happy birthday. Happy 75th birthday. Special one.
Happy birthday to the most kind, generous, warm-hearted, giving, selfless, most devoted person to the whole family. And I must say, I really enjoy the way you gift everyone and how you enjoy life as well, whether it be Mishti Doi or whether it be goat meat that you want in Japan. Now, the goat meat story, Monica will tell you.
Yeah, I think one of those, how do you say, you're a funny guy, but one of the funniest stories we can ever remember is the goat meat story. So here we all are set to go to Japan, and it's Sandeep with his very pregnant wife, his mother-in-law, and the mother-in-law's mother, that is Nani. And we all had to ask Billa uncle, what do you want from India? And he said, I want goat meat. So I think one of Mami's cousins arranged for the goat meat, and we all set for the airport. We reached there and we go to the customs, and this guy, Mr. Sharma, I still remember, is rummaging in Mom's bag, and suddenly he feels this very cold kind of a packet at the bottom of the bag, and he said, what's this? And Mom, with a very poker expression, she says, mutton. And he just like hastily removes his hands and he said, oh, okay, go. So we get into the flight. It's Japan Airlines, very pristine, very clean, immaculate, all of that. And we have Nani and Mom sitting across the aisle from us, and Sandeep and me are like chilling, okay, all set to go, very excited. And then probably towards the middle of the flight, we suddenly realize that the mutton starts dripping. The mutton is dripping blood, and it's going straight onto these pure white pillows which were on Nani's seat. And it's like there's such a panic, and Sandeep looks at me, it's like, oh, okay, this is your family kind of issue, but it was like, what do we do here? And so we quickly kind of turned the pillow over, but how do we stop the drip? So did we take the meat out of the bag?
No, we left it there.
And
it defrosted a bit, and Japan Airlines was not very happy with us. But in the end, we got to Tokyo, and you met us there. You came through customs.
We literally threw the bag at you. Take care of the mutton. But it was...
But I'm sure you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
And that's the best thing, Billa uncle. That's what I love. As I said, between the Mishti Doi, whole pot of it, and your mutton, you enjoy life, yet you give to everyone. You just give and you enjoy a golf game together.
Yeah.
So generous you are.
Very positive, always cheerful, always there for us. The way you were there even when Saiba got married. It was just, you're a lovely person. And we love you for that. We love you. As long as you don't sing, we love you. We'll always love you. Very, very happy 75th birthday once again.
Happy 75th, but no more mutton for you.
Happy birthday, Chacha. Funny incidences, lots of funny stories, but I think Chacha has always been, the life of every party that we've had, all our family get-togethers. But I think top of my head, I think the funniest thing would be I remember was Monica Dee's wedding, and Lama Fere during Lama Fere there was this entire shuffle that we had where Jutti we were hiding the Jutti, and I don't know how, but somehow it landed on top of the actual mandap that niche they were sitting down. Morgari and Zudip were sitting down, and the entire family was there, and there's this Jutti right on top of the Shamiana, which was really hilarious. And at the end of it, I don't know how he managed to get one huge long danda, and he was trying to toss the Jutti out from under everybody's head. It was really funny. I'm sure most of us remember that incident, but many more. Happy birthday, Chacha. We love you a lot, and hope you have a wonderful day, and many more. Love you.
Happy 75th birthday, Chacha. Hope you have a wonderful celebration. You're only looking better with age. May your special day bring you laughter and smiles. And may you always have that shining smile like you have today. Love you lots.
Happy birthday, Chacha. Wish you a very happy 75th birthday, Chacha. The way you lead your life really inspires both of us. Wherever you go, you spread happiness and laughter everywhere. May you continue to do so forever.
It's true when they say no family is complete without an embarrassing uncle. And when I got married, every time Chacha used to meet my in-laws, it used to be funny as well as embarrassing for me. So once my mom-in-law, she called up mom, and Chacha answered the call. And he started like this. अगर आपको अनूप से बात करना है, आप एक
No, it was in English.
If you want to talk to Anoop, press 1. If you want to talk to Raju, press 2. If you want to talk to Sancho, press 3. And my mom-in-law, she didn't understand, so she just hung up. Second time again, she called up, and this time also Chacha repeated. He said the same thing. Again, my mom-in-law hung up. Third time when she called up, so mom answered the call, and mom very embarrassed. She was like, Sadhna ji, sorry, but वो भैया थे line पे. So my mom said कि हाँ कोई नहीं, मैं समझ गई थी.
Yeah, she had a doubt.
Yeah, she just laughed over it.
But उन्होंने कुछ कहा नहीं, मैं कहा क्यों पंगा लूं इनसे.
Yeah, and then Chacha came on the line, and Chacha said, sad है ना? So my mom was like, हाँ जी, मतलब जी, so like sad है ना? Like जी, हाँ जी, क्या? So like, अरे आपका नाम साधना, उसको break करो, sad है ना? So my mom again, she didn't know what to say. All of us were like so embarrassed. But then, we remember this incident, and I remember so many more, incidents. And every time I talk to Chacha, I meet him, we are only laughing and laughing and laughing. And that's the best part about him. And one of my best and happiest moments was, last year during lockdown when Chacha and me got drunk on mom's birthday. And we could not walk, we could not talk. In fact, when Chacha had to get down the stairs, he was, sitting on every step and going down. And I could not, utter a word. In fact, he missed mom's Zoom party also. And it was
a fun moment for you when you got drunk with your Chacha. Had I done the same, there would have been a fight.
We have to wish it.
A big fight, huh?
We have to wish.
With Chacha getting drunk is a fun moment.
Yeah, it is. So happy 75th Chacha, and I love you loads, and you have.
What do you mean you? We love you, Chacha.
We love you lots, and you have always been there as a father, and you've made our life so much fun, full of laughter, and we have wonderful memories, and love you.
Love you, Chacha. Happy birthday.
Happy 75th birthday, Dad.
We love you a lot and wish we were there to celebrate with you. We miss you.
Congratulations on achieving this incredible milestone.
We were told to tell one of our favorite jokes. And while there's so many stories, I think one might stand out. Surya, do you want to tell the story of when we first met? Didn't you call your parents?
Yeah, I did. And I remember I was so excited when we started dating, and I wanted to share that news with mom and dad. So I called them and, to tell them about this amazing woman who had met and, that she was smart and driven. And I could, I remember dad was on the other side and he was also getting really excited. And, eventually he asked, what's her name? And I said, Robin. So then there was a little bit of a pause and he said, where's she from? I said, Florida. So another pause. Well, where are her parents from? He says, I don't know, I guess Florida as well. And I could hear the excitement in his voice starting to die down a little bit. And I think finally he asked, what's her last name? So I said, Orth. And there was this long pause. He said, well, Surya, I know that this is the age of flings, so don't let this be any more than a fling.
Well, Dad, I'm a Kapoor now, and 3 weddings later, here's the result of that fling. We know you were joking then, and we just want to say, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We love you a lot.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Bill Uncle. Wishing you a wonderful day full of family and friends and drinking. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Bill Uncle. Wishing you an excellent day and a fantastic year ahead. Looking forward to getting together soon to celebrate properly, hopefully in Manali next month. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Billa Uncle.
Happy 75th.
We love you so much. Thank you for being the life of every party.
Especially our wedding.
My favorite story about you is how you tried to sell mithai to the other plane passengers on the way back from our wedding. Classic Billa Uncle. Lots of love.
Love you.
Miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Bill Uncle. Here's to 75 years of you always being the coolest man in the room, the snappiest dresser, and just always being full of love and laughter and just ready to have a good time. Really missing you and wishing you the best birthday with many, many more to come.
Happy birthday, Bill Uncle. Wish I was there to celebrate with you. I'm sorry that I look so horrible. Irshan makes me exercise with him in the morning. But wishing you the very best and cheers to the wisest man with the youngest soul. Love you lots. Big hugs. And see you soon. And come to London so we can celebrate here. Love you.
Happy birthday, Bill Uncle. The most fun person we know, hands down. Hope you have a wonderful year. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Bill Uncle. I hope it's a special one and that we can all celebrate together soon.
Well, how special that we have a special birthday for Subhash
And Surya.
And it's because of somebody that we all know each other. How special that we're all one big family.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Subhash, and happy birthday, Surya.
Our dear Subhash, we wish you the happiest of birthdays.
Happy birthday, Subhash.
And best wishes from Pensacola. We share wonderful memories with you of our time in India and look forward to our next visit.
And of course, there's another happy birthday today. We love having Surya as part of the family. And I have to say, as an economist, Subhash, you are so smart to be able to plan that far ahead to make that wonderful event happen. So happy birthday to you both.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Subhash. Just imagine, 10 years ago, the era of the Kapoor and the Orth did not even exist. And then 5 years ago, love entered. We celebrated with Robin and Surya and baby Tara. And just one day ago, the families again celebrated. And we celebrated the birth of William Roger Orth. And now we celebrate the birthday, the 75th birthday of what may be the patriarch of the Kapoor family, dear to all, Subhash Kapoor. And now from 7,000 miles away, the great-grandmother of the Orth family brings birthday wishes to grandfather Subhash. May he live and be happy and feel love forever from us all. Happy birthday, Subhash.